see here is genuine keys from vehicle manufacturers that have a unique chip inside them, and then we have the theft tools or potential theft tools that have sometimes the ability to overwrite the software within the vehicle. So now when you've got keyless type vehicles where you physically just press a button and walk away, you've got the risk now of the signals being captured. Your genuine coding devices, which within the right hands it's quite legitimate to use. Then we have the more criminal type devices, which are jamming devices, which try and attempt to block signals. And then we've got the relay type devices that can extend the signals across from the more keyless type connected vehicle.
We're here today with this B8 Audi A4 that we've just installed a Autowatch Ghost immobiliser system on, and just like to run you through the benefits of the system and why it's important for these type of vehicles. So over the last couple of years, car theft has increased dramatically, 12% in the number of cars being stolen across the UK, and 27% increase in value simply because newer cars are being stolen more and more regularly. And this is because of the new type of key fob that is being used on most vehicles these days. Whether it be the key fob that like this one that you have to press the buttons on to lock and unlock the vehicle and then put the key into the slot to start the engine, or whether it be the ones where you can keep the key in your pocket, the keyless entry system, open the door without taking the key out and getting them press a button. What these thieves are doing is copying and relaying the signal to the vehicle so that they can bypass the use of the fob itself. This immobiliser system is designed to protect you against this type of theft. It operates by being built into the main CANBUS system of the vehicle, the main computer of the vehicle, and is controlled by the vehicle's own controls. So whether that be some of these controls down here, the ones on the steering wheel, or the ones on the stalks, you can program a code between 4 and 20 buttons to protect your vehicle from being started and driven away via this type of theft. So when a vehicle's been locked and has reset itself for 10 seconds, the immobiliser comes into effect immediately. So if somebody gets in the vehicle and attempts to steal it, if I put the key in and I try and start the vehicle will start and stall immediately. If I try to start the vehicle again, it will just turn over, it won't actually fire. It doesn't matter how many times I try it, it will start, it will stall, and I can try again. But there's no way I'm driving this vehicle away. Until that is, I put the code in to deactivate the immobiliser system. So in this instance, we've programmed it onto the cruise control stalk here. 3 pulls forward, press on the button on the end, and watch the little engine light up here. It flashed. Now we can start the vehicle. And the vehicle is disarmed. For some of you that might seem like a real hassle or even complicated, so Autowatch have kindly come up with a smartphone app that could be programmed to 2 smartphones per vehicle, and you'll be able to find this app in the App Store. At the moment the app is off, so if I try to start the vehicle, it starts, but it does the usual stalling. If I turn the app on, just by pressing the button here, and the circle goes orange. If I now start the vehicle starts. This works off of the mobile phone's Bluetooth system, but it's low voltage Bluetooth, so the phone physically has to be in the vehicle. This fantastic immobiliser system is available through us across most of the UK with a mobile installation at your convenience. Please inquire for further details.